Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the topic transmission media which is prescribed in the syllabus of BCA Sem 6. Question is, what is transmission media? Transmission media, as the name implies, it is basically used to transmit the data over a medium. The data can be transmitted in the form of wire or it can be transmitted in the form of wireless. It is basically used to carry information and this information can be measured in the terms of bandwidth, delay, cost. Now the question is, what is bandwidth? Bandwidth specifies how much amount of data is to be transmitted over the medium. Transmission medium is further divided into two parts. First is guided media and the second one is unguided media. Guided media is also known as wired transmission media, or it is also known as the cable system, as it makes use of cables to transmitting the data. It provides various salient features such as high speed, security, but it is used for comparatively used for the shorter distances. Next is guided media is again divided into three parts: twisted pair cable, coaxial cables, and the last one is fiber optic cable. First, I am going to discuss regarding the topic twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable consisting of two separately insulating conducting wires which are wound about to each other. It consists of two wires. First is used to carry signals and the another one is used for the ground propagation. It includes again two parts: unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. Unshielded twisted pair, as the name tells us regarding that, there is no covering of the wire. So it provides basically the interference of the data which damages the data that is presented in the wire. Second one is shielded twisted pair. As you can see in the picture, it consists of special jacket to block external interferences, as it provides fast data transmission rate. For example, Ethernet cables are basically used for the shielded twisted pair cables. Next is second one, coaxial cable. Coaxial cable consists of small number of cables, as it provides the high covering sheet to the data. It is represented as plastic cover which is further covered by insulated, which is further consisting of insulator, and which is further again consisting of inner conductor. Coaxial cable is again divided into two modes: baseband mode and broadband mode. Baseband mode covers only single type of signals, but broadband mode covers more than two types of signals. It includes cable TVs, analog television networks that used coaxial cables. Last one is the optical fiber cable. Optical fiber cable uses light signals instead of the electrical signals. It can be unidirectional or bidirectional. Unidirectional means the data can be transmitted from the sender, but receiver do not respond to it. But in bidirectional data mode, the data can be transmitted over the medium via the sender and it is received by the receiver and it transmits signal to the sender that it has received the signals. Next is unguided media. Unguided media is also known as wireless transmission medium. Wireless transmission medium includes various types of features that it is broadcasted through air, but there is a disadvantage that it provides less security to the data. But its main advantage is that it is basically used for the large distances. These are the types of the unguided media. First of all, radio waves. Radio waves are using the omnidirectional ways to communicate. Omnidirectional means that the data can be transmitted in all the directions and it can penetrate through the buildings also, and it is used in the rain also, and it has the range of 300 kilohertz to 100 gigahertz. As you can see in the picture, the radio waves are used that can be transmitted through the transmitter and it can be received through the receiver, and there are two antennas attached to transmit the signals. For example, FM radios, codeless phones use radio waves for the transmission. Next is microwaves. Microwaves use the signals which are electromagnetic and these makes use of antennas, and it basically includes a frequency range of 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz. And the mobile phones which we are using today makes use of microwaves, and television is also using the microwave radiations. Next is infrared radiations. Infrared radiations has a frequency range of near about 300 gigahertz to 400 terahertz. It is used in remotes and wireless mouse, keyboard, printers, and but it provides very short distance communication. And the last one is satellite communication. Satellite communication basically includes transponders to transmit the data that amplifies the signals, and it is introduced by the Kepler's law. And satellite signals makes use of satellites to transmit the data. Thank you.